me introduce to you the JoyJolt set of 12 set, 24 glass containers. Say goodbye to your plastic Tupperware. I'm going to show you the box in just a second. But I'm just so super impressed with the quality of these awesome containers. Say goodbye to plastic. Say goodbye to that taste. I hate that taste. Anytime I pack a lunch or I pack a meal with my kids or etc., I get that plasticky taste in my food. Glass is so much better, especially this awesome company. They make everything with high quality borosilicate glass, and that is premium high quality glass that keeps your storage airtight. Has these airtight containers, which I absolutely love. Have these airtight containers. Oh, look how beautiful that is. I mean, that just looks amazing. I'm going to tell you everything. Oh, you hear that? That's airtight. Yeah. You've got rectangular, you've got smaller ones. Let me show you this awesome box that it comes with. You can see right there. Look at that. That is amazing right there. It's just absolutely phenomenal. Full disclosure, thank you. A big shout out to our partner JoyJolt for sending us a sample. I think this is the holiday gift that keeps on giving, but this is something I think that every household needs. You guys know Shop with Nez. I only share products that my wife and I vouch for, that we personally feel with our integrity and our scrutiny that these are high quality products to share with you. So I'm so excited to share this with you. So it comes with, so you're gonna get a ton of really, really cool containers. So you have 12 airtight food storage containers with lids. Includes 4 rectangular. Okay, so you get 4 of these rectangular guys right here. You also get 4 square. You also get 4 round, and you get, let's see, what else do you get? 4 round containers. Yeah, so that's 12. Yeah, so 4 rectangular, 4 square, 4 round, and am I missing one? I think I'm missing one. 2. Oh yeah, so you get 2 extra ones as well. But I just absolutely love these things. You want to talk about, I mean, are you done? Are you done with that taste? I mean, I don't like that taste of plastic. There's so many studies now that show that any type of plastic that is contained in food, or food is contained in, is highly harmful, cancer producing, God knows everything else. This is such an awesome product. It is 100% pure quality, high quality glass. I can't even pronounce that word, so you know it's good. So, I mean, I think this is fantastic. This company, you can tell, they very much so care about the end user, and these things are just phenomenal. Highly, highly recommend. Yeah.